choosing one. Go ahead and order as soon as you're ready.
Can I just get 2 kitty cones?
Okay. Anything else for you?
Nope, that's all.
All right, that'll be 54 cents at the window. Thank you.
Thanks.
Make sure that we're both in this.
Oh my gosh, it's Katie.
Katie,
I know that girl in there.
You with the 2 kitty cones?
Yeah.
All right, that'll be 54 cents. Take off your
Thanks, and I have a question.
Uh-huh.
Do you believe in unicorns?
No.